My name is Dr. Thomas Lodi, and I'm a medical doctor. I was trained in conventional medicine and went to medical school, did my residency in New York at a very nice university medical center. And afterwards I practiced conventional medicine for about 10 years, and then one day I realized that it just didn't work. You know, we're not really helping people. If they came in with arthritis, 10 years later they still had arthritis, but now they were on multiple drugs and getting the side effects from the drugs, and it didn't matter which condition they had, it was the same. And that I realized that the only way that we could help people were in acute situations such as trauma, emergency situations, or heart attacks, something like that. But when it came to any chronic conditions, we really had no answers, because certainly poisoning someone who's got a chronic condition is not, you know, just common sense tells you that's not going to really help. So anyway, it was at that point that I sort of stopped working in those areas and went to around the world to different centers and with different people that I had read about, different doctors, and I sort of apprenticed under several, and I did this for a couple years, and finally came back to what I had originally loved, which was oncology. And so for the last 15 years I've been practicing integrative oncology.